Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The best time to buy appliances is when new models roll out. Washers, dryers, and dishwashers in September and October, refrigerators in May, and ranges, ovens in January. When manufacturers unveil the latest models, retailers reduce prices on models from previous years at these times to create more room for new models.
Let's help you make your mark.
The 7 best places to buy large appliances online. Appliances Connection. Appliances Connection seemingly has every single appliance you could ever need. It is in its name after all. Apt. A.J. Madison. Best Buy. The Home Depot. Lowe's. Amazon. The 11th of November 2020.
Take our lead.
14 years. According to the 23rd Annual Portrait of the U.S. Appliance Industry, standard refrigerators usually last anywhere from 10 to 18 years, with an average life expectancy of 14 years. Compact refrigerator lifespan is even shorter, ranging from 4 to 12 years with an average life expectancy of 8 years. 21 July 2016.
Take our lead.
Bundle. If you're buying more than one appliance, say you're redoing your kitchen, or the fridge has gone kaput and matches the aging stove and dishwasher, you can save a bundle by bundling. According to Clerico, buying 3 or more appliances together could reap up to 20% in discounts. 1 May 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Costco is a standout for large appliance prices, though its selection and service are just so-so, CR members tell us. If you're seeking the best deal for a large appliance, look no further than the ubiquitous Costco wholesale. 23 October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Best overall refrigerator. GE Profile Series French Door Refrigerator. Best value refrigerator. Maytag Wide French Door Refrigerator. Best smudge-proof refrigerator. Kenmore Elite French Door. Best door indoor refrigerator. LG InstaView Door Indoor. 19 November 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to buy the best refrigerator in 2020. Samsung RF23M8070 French Door Refrigerator. The best French door fridge we've tested to date. Tyler Lisenby, CNET. LG LTCS 24223S Top Freezer Refrigerator. A superior, king-size top freezer fridge. Tyler Lisenby, CNET. Whirlpool WRB322 DMHV Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. A bottom freezer model as French door fill-in. The 13th of March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.